How to withdraw money from Binance. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can withdraw money from Binance, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to withdraw money from Binance, open up your Binance, and if you happen to have some money, tap on your profile icon from the top left of the screen here. Then from here you'll find many options. If you don't find withdraw, tap on this gear icon here. Now you'll find more options here. You can select first of all your withdrawal address to which you want to set it to. Then you can select a payment method and your currency and so on that you want to over here. Then once you've done that, depending upon what you want to do, you will now be able to go ahead and then withdraw the money to your account. So if you want to deposit, you tap the deposit option. If you want to withdraw, you tap over here, select all of these options, your payment method and so on, and then you'll be able to actually go ahead and then withdraw to your Binance. This way you'll be able to withdraw from Binance. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.